Hey there. So how's your inbound marketing journey going on? Today, we are going to tell you how you can create a landing page inside HubSpot. If you're going to work with landing pages, the following steps will come in handy. Click on Marketing and then click on Landing Pages. Here you get the options to create your landing page. So click on Create and then click on Landing Page. Here you get an option to set the page name for the specific landing page that you are creating. Once you enter it and just click on Enter, use the theme that you want to use for that particular page, or you can also view other themes in the marketplace. And then click on the templates and choose the particular template that you want to use for your landing page. Once you have done this, you can now edit your landing page using HubSpot's famous drag and drop page builder. Here you can customize the modules, add more modules, remove some of the modules, and in case you want to see the hierarchy of the landing page, you can click on the contents over here and see how everything is placed inside the landing page. Now, you can also optimize your landing page by reviewing the SEO recommendations and other recommendations that HubSpot provides you with. You can also click on the test button in order to run an A/B test on your landing page. In the Site Navigator section, you'll be able to see that this landing page is being shown under the Site Navigator landing pages section. Once all of this is done, you can finally click on Save and then hit Publish in order to make your landing page live. In case you are running into any issues, or if you have some trouble while creating your landing pages, you can always reach out to us and we'll be more than happy to assist you in creating the pixel perfect landing pages. So guys, I hope this was crystal clear and you got to learn something new today. And in case you have any doubts, feel free to reach out to us in the comment section below. We are also more than happy to assist you in case you are building something custom of your own. And you can book a consulting call with us via the QR code on the screen in front of you. And I'll see you guys soon in the next video.